Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Boost Mobile and also like the best Australia mobile plan and what kind of things you have to be aware of. So the first one to check out is called like Boost Mobile. So this one is also good where you can have, for example, 365 gigabytes for 365. So you can have like 1 gigabyte per day or $1 per day. So you can have like great unlimited national calls, and only that, also text included, best rural regional coverage of any MVNO. So this is like the first one, and primarily also you can have like 28-day expiry like for $40 right here. So the Boost Mobile is a very interesting one, but you're gonna have 150 megabytes download speed on most plans. Activation and porting issues reported, and also requires paying the 365 upfront if you want to get the 365. Also, another one that you can actually like check out is Aldi Mobile. So this is something that you can also check out for yourself. Now with the Aldi Mobile, what you need to understand is it uses Telstra wholesale network covering nearly like 98.9% of the Australian population. It offers unlimited data rollover up to like 30 gigabytes. So you see right here the 20 gigabyte data, so that's good. Also unlimited standard calls and text to 15 countries, and easy to purchase SIM at any Aldi store. So that's very good. So another one thing also about the Telstra, it uses the Telstra wholesale network, so slightly less coverage in remote areas. And then also you have a OnePass Mobile. So this is something that you can also check out for yourself. So powered by Optus 4G network, good long expiry options, including 365-day plan, also budget-friendly pricing, and calls frequently drop in Arable mobile network, reported some people that I've read, and also no 5G access currently available, and Optus coverage weaker in rural areas comparing to Telstra. So another one, OnePass, interesting one. Felix Mobile is another one. So Felix Mobile's only telco in Australia offering a truly unlimited data plan. Speed cap recently increased to 40 megabytes per second. Carbon neutral certified, won a Gunstar Boost 2024 award. No lock-in contracts, so that's like very good. And now for the pricing, you see, for example, unlimited mobile data, $20 a month, but it's like speed up to 40 megabytes per second. So that's something to be aware of. So it reaches about 96% of Australians because you have the Vodafone network, and you don't have phone support, only in-app chat available. So this is like another one. And then you're gonna have also a MySIM. So you're gonna have Optus network with 98.5% population coverage. So that's also like very good. Unlimited data banking. Unused data never expires. Generous international calling, texting to 28 to 42 countries. Highest customer satisfaction score, so that's very good. But you can have like long wait times for customer support, and also the price increase is there, and no 5G on the cheaper plans, and eSIM activation issues also reported by some people. But still, also MySIM is also like interesting one that you can check out for yourself. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.